Video number 6. Facebook apps. What are Facebook apps? Facebook has for a very long time been an effective weapon for most marketers. This social media platform has evolved incredibly and now presents marketers and business owners with a convenient canvas to reveal their success stories. All these capabilities have been made possible partly due to the power of Facebook apps. Facebook apps give your online visitors a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in your business and imagine the experience they will have with you even before they arrive. They can be described as tools that are developed to enhance the experience of the Facebook user. Business managers can add the apps that interest them from the App Center into their Facebook profile. Apps are created by third-party developers who follow the standard policies outlined on the Facebook platform. However, the information found in the apps is stored on servers not hosted by Facebook. All the app developers are responsible for their app servers, and Facebook never removes information from them. Important: you will always be required to give an app permission to use your Facebook profile information before you can start using it. Which are the most useful Facebook apps for marketers and businesses? Below is a description of the top Facebook apps on the market that you could use to take your Facebook business page to the next level. Ripe Social. This app suite offers business managers 10 apps that can be useful in increasing brand awareness, promoting client interaction, driving website traffic, cultivating repeat business, generating sales leads, and igniting viral marketing. Heyo. Heyo has an easy-to-use editor and exciting templates that allow you to use promotions, contests, and exclusive deals to drive traffic, leads, and sales. Business managers can also create a custom campaign from scratch using the drag-and-drop widgets. All these capabilities of the app are possible without using any code. With this app, a business manager has complete control over their level of creativity. The app works great with mobile. Agorapulse. This app can manage your Facebook business page along with other social sites. It has excellent performance and is integrated with analytics and reports. It is also the best app to use where competitive analysis is involved. Cision. Cision is a merge between North Social and Vocus. It is one of the most robust management platforms for PR and social business issues. Users have access to over 19 Facebook applications they can use to create wonderful pages and exciting fan experiences. The apps can increase engagement and promote your business brand. Fan Apps. This app provides the business user with all the tools they need to learn about, grow, engage, and even ultimately convert social audiences into paying customers. The app can also be useful in turning good customers into great ones. Business managers can use the app to create high-impact experiences that can leverage your fans. Furthermore, the app can help you capture emails, interests, likes, and demographics. Tab Fusion. Tab Fusion allows businesses to create a customized tab with any content. They have numerous apps that can be used to customize photos, blogs, and videos, useful in enhancing your business. Social Apps HQ. Social Apps HQ is used by some of the giant businesses such as PayPal, AARP, and the Better Business Bureau. The app has the ability to integrate with your Facebook page as well as your website, and offers a number of analytic tools that could be useful in tracking your performance. Currently, Social Apps HQ offers business managers about 26 apps that are multilingual and easy to set up. Ecwid. Ecwid is one of the leading shopping cart apps that has the ability to integrate with your Facebook page. In fact, Ecwid is the #1 e-commerce app with over 40,000 stores. The app can also be mirrored on your other business sites at the same time. Ecwid is easy to use and can allow you to add an online store freely in a minimum of 5 minutes. The app can also allow you to sell everywhere simultaneously on websites, social sites, mobile phones, and other marketplaces such as Yahoo, Google Shopping, and Shopping.com. Hootsuite. Hootsuite makes it easier for business managers to post and schedule Facebook updates, monitor feeds, add images, and deal with other app-related activities. Business management teams can manage complex campaigns involving events, pages, and groups. You can also count on the app for tips on social media strategy and advice on how to enhance user engagement using your Facebook business page. ShortStack. The ShortStack app has many features that can help you make good use of your Facebook pages. Some of the features include contests, data collection, polls, and analytics. Through the app, Business managers can engage with customers, collect leads, increase revenue, or even build personalized campaigns. At times, business managers can let the app handle all these duties without their input. How to install a Facebook app. Understand the app. Before installing a Facebook app, it is imperative to understand how it works. Learn about the app and what it is capable of doing to your Facebook business page. If it is a timeline app, make sure you see a few examples of the activities it will share on Facebook. Timeline apps have the ability to publish content on your behalf. They could post your past and even future business activities. Control who can see your app activity. Use the inline audience selector to choose the audience that can see your app activity on Facebook. This audience selector only controls who can see the app activity that is shared on the Facebook platform. To control whatever people see off Facebook, it is advisable to check the settings of the app and its operational policies. Choose what information apps can access. Apps will ask you for permission to use some of the information on your Facebook profile. When installing an app, you decide what information your app can access. You can remove these permissions by clicking the X in the dialog box that comes up during the installation process. Some apps install easily from the external website, while others can be installed right within Facebook. Apps from external websites can provide information on how to install easily. After searching for the app on Facebook, you can click on Install App and later choose the page you wish to add the app to. After accepting the information your app can have access to, you will find the app listed on your chosen page.